Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade fruit jam. First, gather your ingredients: fresh fruit, sugar, and lemon juice. Select fruit that is perfectly ripe for optimal flavor and natural pectin. Sterilize your canning jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes, then keep them hot until ready to fill. This preparation ensures a safe and delicious batch of homemade jam. Next, prepare your chosen fruit. Wash it thoroughly and remove any stems, pits, or blemishes. For larger fruits like peaches or apples, chop them into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook down evenly and release their juices. Accurate measurement of your prepared fruit is important for maintaining the correct fruit-to-sugar ratio in your recipe. Now, it's time to cook your jam. Combine the prepared fruit, sugar, and lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Continue cooking until the jam reaches its setting point, typically around 220 degrees Fahrenheit, or passes the cold plate test. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized, hot jars, leaving a 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a proper seal, then place the lids and bands on securely. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This creates a vacuum seal, allowing your homemade fruit jam to be stored safely in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.